1 week, 7 days to fix a puncture. Damn. "7 days, 1 week to put a puncture." And the reason behind it? Work. So let me take you through the 7 days that I went through to fix one puncture. So the whole thing started off with me deciding, okay, let me get back on the saddle, went to take my cycle and puncture. And like, okay, fix the puncture. Went to search for my puncture kit at home, wasn't there, realized it was in office. Came to office on my scooter and the puncture kit had some missing components. So one crucial ingredient, the glue, was missing. Well, never mind. So I was like, okay, let me take it to the local cycle shop and get it fixed. That was the next day. Went there and realized the tube is weak. Need to change the tube. So once again, back to office, work, called up Velo Studio and asked them if they had a tube. They said they'd figure it out, and they called me later in the evening and said, yes, we do have a tube. So I went the next day, day 4, got the tube, finally got the tube. Then did not fit it on that day. Day 5 was when I decided I'm going to do it today. Didn't happen. 7 days and I managed to finally fix the bike. And strangely enough, I managed to go through all 3 ways of fixing a puncture. Put the puncture, you have a puncture kit, put the puncture, go to your local cycle shop, get the puncture put over there, or third, change the tube. So let me show you guys quickly how to fix the puncture. First, flip the bike over. Makes it easier to get to wheels and it's a lot easier to work on then. Second, if you have an MTB, you just need to use your fingers to take the tire off the rim. A quick tip over here, make sure your gear is in the lowest cog, as that will give you a lot more flexibility and ease of removal. Now when you're putting it back, inflate the tube a little bit. Being a new tube, it is going to be a little rigid and not that easy to fit in. Just inflating it a little bit makes it a lot easier to fit in. So once that is done, make sure the tire is seated properly and then fill the air up and you're good to go. So that was my 7-day trip to fix one little puncture. Well, back on the saddle now and off to riding. Hopefully I'll be able to get you guys a lot more content now that I'm riding again. Just in case you guys have not entered the cycle giveaway, I am doing a cycle giveaway. The link should be, I think, up here, maybe up here. Anyway, it's going to be somewhere up here. So take a look and enter the giveaway. So that's it for now. Until next time, safe ride everyone.